Hello, my dear students. Please let me know whether I am audible and visible to you. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, is the audio and video proper, my dear? Please let me know. So, we are having another 2 minutes. After that, I'll start taking the session. Okay, Ritik, VSP, Priyadarshini, very good afternoon, my dear. So please share this video among your friend circle so that maximum number of people can get the benefit from this workshop. So today is gonna be the second day. Ruchita, good afternoon, beta. Aditi, good afternoon. So let us wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let me share the link. Minaz, Rizvi, so my dear, I hope all of you guys are having this CSAT Brahmastra book with you. Sorry. Anji beta, please come fast. Sit here. So I think we should start now. चलिए start करते हैं बेटा. Today's topic is clocks, and clock teaches us very important lesson as well as the message that we should never stop learning. We should continue the process of learning. Got it? This is the performance of the chapter so far. We have got 8 questions from this chapter. Now, the basic concepts I am going to discuss. Hanji beta, what's your good name? Sukhdev. Okay, okay, beta. So you are graduate or still pursuing graduate? Okay. Are you writing this year's PT exam? Hanji, what is the total angle in a circle? 360 degree. And this 360 degree is divided into 12 equal parts. So what will be the value of one part? This 360 degree is divided into 12 parts. So what is the value of one part? 360 degree angle divided into 12 parts. One part will be equal to 30 degree. I hope it is clear. Fine. So can I say the angle between 12 and 1 is 30 degree, angle between 1 and 2 is 30 degree, between 2 and 3 30 degree. So angle between every consecutive markings is 30 degree. Got it, my dear? So minute hand, when minute hand goes from 12 to 1, how many minutes? 5 minutes. And when minute hand is at 4, then how many minutes? 20 minutes. Got it. Fine. So can I say, my dear, minute hand is taking this, minute hand is covering this 30 degree angle in 5 minutes. Okay, bacho? So minute hand is covering the angle 30 degree in 5 minutes. So in every 1 minute, minute hand will cover how much angle? 6 degrees per minute. This is the speed of the minute hand of the clock. Minute hand of the clock moves at a speed of 6 degrees per minute. Fine. So in x minutes or in t minutes, minute hand will cover how much angle? Minute hand will cover how much angle in t minutes? 60. 6 into t. Fine. What about the hour hand? When the hour hand goes from 12 to 1, it has taken how much time? 1 hour. So we know that hour hand covers this 30 degree angle in 1 hour, that is equal to in 60 minutes. So hour hand can cover only half degree in 1 minute. Minute hand can cover 6 degrees per minute. Hour hand can cover half degree per minute. I hope it is clear till here. Fine. So in t minutes, hour hand will cover how much angle? Half t. In t minutes, minute hand will cover 60 angle and the hour hand will cover half t angle. Fine, beta. So please note down a problem. Find the angle moved by minute and the hour hand of a clock from 5:10 till 5:35, or I can say 5:30. What is the angle moved by the minute and the hour hand of the clock from 5:10 till 5:30? What should be the answer? Let's see who will give me the correct answer first. Angle moved by the minute and the hour hand of a clock from 5:10 till 5:30. What is the angle moved? Answer? 120 degree. Very good. R is 10 degree. Very good, my dear. From 5:10 till 5:30, this gap is 20 minutes. So T is equal to 20. What is the angle moved by the minute hand? Minute hand will move 20 into 6, that is equal to 120 degree. And what about the hour hand? Hour hand can move half degree per minute. So in these 20 minutes, it will move half into 20, that is equal to 10 degrees. Assuming it is clear, from 5:10 till 5:30, minute hand will cover 120 and hour hand will cover 10 degree. Okay, beta? Fine. So straight away, let's move to some questions. Attempt this one. Quickly reply. Anji, one more promise I took from you in yesterday's class, and that promise was from my side also. If we are getting triple number of people who are watching the video live, then I was supposed to double the number of sessions. So that still I feel that you guys haven't touched the mark. So please share it among your friend circles so that more people can join us. Answer beta. Very good. Anji beta. From 3 hour 12 minutes to 6, what is the time here? From 3:12 to 6 o'clock. What is the time? This is 2 hours and 48 minutes. 2 hour and 48 minutes. My dear, this 2 hour can be written as 120 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 into 60 is 120 plus 48. That is equal to 168 minutes. So the time is 168 minutes. We have to find the angle moved by the hour hand. Our hand can move half degree per minute. So in 168 minutes, it will cover how much angle? Half into 168, that is equal to 84 degree. Our hand of the clock will move 84 degree. Assuming it is clear to all of you. ऐसे ही किया बेटा? Very good. Fine. Till the people are increasing. Okay, very good. Now, suppose this is the clock. What is the angle between 3 and 6? What is this angle beta? 3 and 6? This is 90 degree. From 3 to 4, 30. Then 4 to 5, 30. Then 5 to 6 also 30. So this angle is 90 degree. And we know that at 3:12, our hand will not be at 12. Our hand will not be at 3. It will be slightly ahead of 3. तो अगर our hand 3 से आगे जाएगा, if our hand will move ahead, then angle will be more than 90 or less than 90. 3 and 6, the angle is 90 degree. But at 3:12, our hand was slightly ahead of 3. 3 से थोड़ा सा आगे था. तो ये जो एंगल होगा, this will be more than 90 or less than 90. It has to be less than 90. Got it, my dear? So there is only one option which is less than 90. It is 84 degree. It is 84. Fine. So I hope it is clear. Very good, Abhishek. Sahil, good afternoon, beta. Tushar, good afternoon. So let's move to the next question. Quickly attempt this. Last question, last option is 9:30. Please attempt this. Ratish, how you got 85? It is 84 beta. Accurate clock shows a time 3 o'clock. After our hand has moved 135 degree, we have to find the time in the clock. Answer? Correct. बहुत ही बढ़िया. आंसर बोलें वो थोड़ा यूट्यूब में लैग होता है, 12 सेकेंड्स का लैग है. So whatever we are discussing now, that will be delivered to the students after 12 to 15 seconds. Answer बोलो बच्चों. Accurate clock shows 3 o'clock. After our hand has moved 135 degree, what would be the time? Yes, Sagar, Shreya. Correct answer, my dear. We know that our hand can move half degree per minute and it has moved 135 degree, and in t minutes it can move half t. So what is the value of t here? T will be equal to 135, this 1 by 2, it will go there, it will be into 2, that is equal to 270 minutes. This 270 minutes, we can convert this into hours and minutes. 270 when you divide by 60, 4 complete hours, 240 minutes and another 30 minutes. So this is nothing but 4 hours and 30 minutes. Starting time was 3 o'clock, and to cover this 135 degree angle, our hand has taken another 4 hour and 30 minutes. So time initial it was 3 o'clock. Now after 4 hours and 30 minutes, time should have been 7:30. Assuming it is clear to all of you. If any of you want me to repeat, please write R, otherwise I'll assume that this question is clear. क्या बच्चों? Okay. Now let me discuss this question by using another method logically. In today's class, our target is to develop our thought process in the exam. Fine. Question says that there was a time at 3 a.m., 3 o'clock. So it means at 3 o'clock our hand was at 3. Fine. So 3 to 4, how many degrees angle? 30 degree. Till 5, it will be 60 degree. Till 6, it will be 90 degree. Till 7, it will be 120 degree. Each marking we are increasing by 30 degree. Till 8 o'clock, what will be the time here? What will be the angle till here? 150. We want a value 135 degree. So my dear, can I say 135 means between 120 and 150? Okay, my dear. So we want our hand to move by 135 degree angle. So if our hand will move 135 degree, then it will be somewhere exactly between 7 and 8. If our hand is between 7 and 8, in that case, time has to be between 7 and 8. Only one option is there, which is between 7 and 8, that is 7:30. Okay, beta? You could have answered this question in this manner also. Fine. Erasing it and moving to the next part. We have to find the angle between the hands of a clock. So first of all, let me give you a question and then I will discuss the concept here. So write down, what is the angle between minute and the hour hand of a clock at 3:10? What is the angle between minute and the hour hand of a clock at 3:10? At 3:10. Find the angle. Let's see who will give me the correct answer first. 30 degree. Okay. At 3:10, what is the angle between minute and the hour hand of a clock? Minaj, Abhishek, Shivani. Okay, beta. What is the angle at 3:10? My dear, most of the student will give answer 30. That will be wrong here. Fine. Why wrong? Let's see. At 3:10 we know that the minute hand will be at 2. Minute hand will be at 2. Our hand, will it be exactly at 3 or slightly ahead of 3? Our hand कहां पे होगा बेटा? ये 3 पे होगा या 3 से आगे जा चुका होगा? थोड़ा आगे जा चुका होगा. It will be slightly ahead of 3. Now we know that the angle between 2 and 3 is 30 degree and our hand is slightly ahead of this. So it means this angle has to be more than 30 degree. Clear है बच्चों? It has to be Shivani, beta, it will not be less than 30, it will be more than 30 degree. I hope it is clear. अब एक काम करते हैं बेटा, ये देख लेते हैं. At 3 o'clock our hand was here. तो अभी कितना टाइम हो चुका है? आफ्टर 3 o'clock कितना टाइम और जा चुका है? 10 more minutes जा चुके हैं बेटा. In those 10 minutes our hand will move how many degree? Our hand moves half degree per minute. So in the next 10 minutes ये कितना और आगे जाएगा? 5 degree more. If this angle is 5 degree, then what is the value of the total angle? It will be 35 degree. Assuming it is clear. Online students, please let me know, is it clear or should I repeat? Fine beta, it has to be 35 degree, not 30 degree. Okay. So in this kind of question, here the data was easy and we know the position of minute hand was at 2. So minute hand could have been somewhere between 1 and 2 also. In that case, there will be a problem. So to cater this kind of questions, please note down a formula. The angle at any time h dot m. What is h here? H is the hour value and m is the minute value. So what is the angle between them? You can say theta is equal to 30 into h minus 11 by 2 into m. Or you can do reverse of this, 11 by 2m minus 30 into h. Basically, both the formulas are giving us the same answer. Only there is a difference of sign. Okay, beta? There will be a sign of, there will be a difference of sign. We know that at 3:10, h value is 3 and m value is 10. H value is 3 and m value is 10. So if you put here, if you put it in this formula, what you will get? 30 into 3 minus 11 by 2 into 10. Fine. So this you can cancel out 5a. So 11 into 5. This is coming out to be how much? 90 minus 55. What will be the answer? 35 degree. This is coming out to be 35 degree. But if you use this formula, here you will get minus 35 degree. This is the only difference. If you put this m is equal to 10, h is equal to 3, here answer will be minus 35 degree. Got it, my dear? Fine. So to avoid this kind of calculations, either you use any of these formula and forget about the sign. And second thing, my dear, if you apply a common sense, then at 3:10 which part will be ahead? Minute hand आगे होगा कि hour hand आगे होगा? 3:10 पे कौन आगे होगा? At 3:10 आगे कौन होगा बेटा? Hour hand will be ahead ना? At 3:10 hour hand will be slightly ahead of 3 and minute hand will be at 2. Minute hand 2 पे होगा, hour hand 3 को क्रॉस कर चुका होगा, तो आगे कौन होगा? Hour hand आगे होगा. So if hour hand is ahead, तो आपको वो वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करना है जिसमें आवर हैंड पहले है, आवर हैंड आगे है. इस फॉर्मूला में आवर हैंड आगे है, तो यू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. आवर हैंड इज अहेड ऑफ मिनट हैंड एट 3:10, सो यू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. फाइन. व्हाट इफ आई से एट 2:46, एट 2:46 कौन आगे होगा? आवर हैंड अहेड होगा कि मिनट हैंड अहेड होगा? At 2:46 कौन आगे होगा बेटा? मिनट हैंड विल बी एड. मिनट हैंड 9 को क्रॉस कर चुका होगा and our hand will be between 2 and 3. So in that case minute hand is ahead, so you use this formula. I hope it is clear. Fine. So note down a problem. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock minute and hour hand are coinciding, overlapping, pointing in the same direction? It means theta is 0 degree, they are one above the other. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock minute and hour hand are overlapping? It means theta will be 0 degree. क्लियर है बच्चों? At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock minute and hour hand of the clock will be together, they will be lying one above the other, they will be coinciding, overlapping, whatever you say. Between 4 and 5 o'clock what will be the value of h? H का value क्या होगा बेटा? Between 4 and 5 value of h will be 4. ओके, कोई भी टाइम बोल के देखो 4 और 5 के बीच में, कैसे बोलोगे बेटा? 4:10, 4:08, 4:25, 4:36, 4:58. So what will be the value of h there? Any time between 4 and 5 value of h will be 4. Fine. Use the formula. Theta is 0, that is equal to 30 into h, value of h is 4 here, minus 11 by 2 into m. So this minus 11 by 2m will come here, it will be 11 by 2m, that is equal to 120. So value of m will be 120 into 2 by 11, so that is 240 upon 11. So if you divide it, 11 2s are 22, you are left with 2, it becomes 20. So 11 1s are 11, you are left with 9. So answer is 4, 21, 9 by 11. This will be the answer. बोलो बच्चों, क्लियर है कि रिपीट करो ये? Quickly reply my dear, is it clear or should I repeat? हाँ जी बेटा, क्लियर हो गया? We have to find a time between 4 and 5 o'clock. Time between 4 and 5 o'clock, it means value of h should be 4. They are overlapping, it means theta is 0. If they are together, then you can use, because both are together, so no one is ahead, you can use any of these two formula, you will get the answer. 421 9 by 11. So if you understand this concept, then please attempt some questions. Attempt this one. जल्दी करें बेटा. Answer? Very good. Yes, Abhishek, Sagar, your answer is correct. Shivani, Minaz, absolutely correct my dear. So let us attempt this question. At 7:20, we know that this kind of situation will be there. Value of h is 7 and m is 20. So we know that our hand will be ahead. Even if you don't know, you can use any of the formula, ignore the sign. So theta we have to find, that is equal to 30h minus 11 by 2 into m. Value of m is 20 here. So this is 210 minus 110. So answer will be 100 degree. Answer is 100 degree. My dear students, please let me know, is it clear? Oh, all of you gave me correct answer. Very good, Pallavi. Fine, beta. So what will happen if a student doesn't know this formula? तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? Because this question, whatever questions I am going to discuss in today's class, ठीक है ना? These are of the UPSC or we can say CSAT standard problems. You can see this question was asked in CAPF exam 2013. Conducted by UPSC. This exam, this is also UPSC 1998. Fine. If and whatever I am going to discuss in today's class, all these questions are present in our CSAT Brahmastra book. I hope you guys have purchased this. In case you don't have, then you can order it by contacting on any of these numbers. So let us move further. Even if a student doesn't know the formula, then what can be done here, my dear? At 7:20, this should be the situation. Minute hand will be exactly at 4. So what is the angle from 4 to 5? This angle will be 30 degree. Till 6, this angle will be 60 degree. And till 7, this angle will be 90 degree. Say yes or no? And this is slightly ahead of 7. So answer will be more than 90 or less than 90? Very good. It has to be more than 90 degree. And if you look at the option, this is the only possible choice. Clear है बच्चों? The only possible answer is 100 degree. Okay? आगे बढ़े. This question, I am reading this question. When the time in the wall clock is 3:25 p.m., what is the acute angle between the hour and the minute hand of the clock? Time is 3:25. At 3:25, we have to find the angle between minute and the hour hand of a clock. So font is a bit lower, so small size का font है बेटा. At 3:25, you have to find the angle between minute and the hour hand of the clock. At 3:25, minute hand will be added. So you use the formula 11 by 2m minus 30h. Minute hand will be ahead. Done. Start करते हैं. Theta we have to find. Theta is equal to, because minute hand will be ahead, so use 11 by 2m. M value is 25 minus 30 into h. H is 3 here. So this can be 11 into 25, 275 divided by 2 minus 90. 2 से cancel out करोगे तो this is coming out to be 137.5. 137.5 minus 90. What will be the value? 137.5 minus 90. That is equal to 47.5. 47.5. This is the answer. Clear है बच्चों? 47 and half. आगे बढ़े. Attempt this question. At what time between 9 and 10 o'clock will the hands of the watch be together? Together means they will make 0-degree angle between 9 and 10. What is the value of h here? H क्या लोगे बेटा between 9 and 10? 9. H will be 9. Okay. Yes, yes. Absolutely correct. Yes, my dear, all of you are giving me correct answer. चलिए. Between 9 and 10, we want the theta to be 0-degree. They are overlapping, so theta is 0. That is equal to 30 h. H value will be 9 here, minus 11 by 2m. So bring this part on the left hand side. 11 by 2m is equal to 270. So value of m will be 270 into 2 upon 11. So this is 540 upon 11. So you cancel out by 11. 11 4 is 44. You are left with 10. 1 0 is there 100. So 11 9 is 99. We are left with 1. 1 upon 11. So answer is 9 49 1 upon 11. I hope it is clear. Yes, my dear Sagar. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. आगे बढ़े. This question was asked in Punjab State PCS exam 2013. Please attempt it. Very good. So here the time is between 3 and 4 o'clock and both the clocks coincide, both the hands coincide. It means theta is 0. That is equal to 30 into 3 minus 11 by 2 m. So bring 11 by 2 m here. That is equal to 90. So from here we can say that value of m will be 90 into 2 upon 11. That is 180 upon 11. So 180 upon 11, what you can do? 11 1 is 11. We are left with 70. 11 6 is 66. So you are left with 4. So 16 complete. We are left with 4 upon 11. 16 4 by 11. This is the answer. So D option, 16 4 by 11 minutes past 3. All of you have given me correct answer. बहुत ही बढ़िया बेटा. So it feels really good when people answer in this way. Now again, let us use another method here. Time is between 3 and 4 o'clock. This question was asked in Punjab State PCS exam. So there has to be some good logic behind this. Our hand has to be between 3 and 4 because time is between 3 and 4. Minute and hour hand both are overlapping. It means where will be minute hand? Minute hand कहाँ पे होना चाहिए बेटा? Minute hand will also be on this. So if the minute hand is between 3 and 4, बेटा 3 का मतलब होता है 15 minutes and 4 means 20 minutes. So time has to be, when the minute hand is between 3 and 4, then time should be between 15 and 20 minutes. There is only one option which is having value between 15 and 20 minutes, and that option is D. Got it? Fine. CAPF 2015, 12 minutes division apart. So let me teach you this concept. If you observe carefully, the values between 12 and 1, or I can say markings between any two consecutive numbers, that is 10 and 9. This is 5 minutes. This 5 minutes is 30 degree. Now this is divided into small parts. This is 1 minute's division. What is the angle between these consecutive markings? It has to be 6 degree because this is 1 minute. 1 minute means 5 minutes is 30 degrees. So 1 minute will be 6 degree. So the consecutive minutes marking, minutes divisions are 6 degree apart. So there is a gap of 6 degree between every consecutive minutes markings. I hope it is clear. Fine. So if I say there is a gap of 3 minutes, 3 minutes division, it means how much is the angle? 18 degree. If there is 5 minutes difference, 5 minutes difference means 30 degree angle. Got it? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Attempt this question. Done? Okay. At what time between 2 and 3 o'clock? Between 2 and 3 o'clock. So my dear, can I say value of h will be equal to? h का value क्या होगा बेटा? Between 2 and 3. h will be 2. Minute and the hour hand be 12 minutes division apart. 1 minute's division means 6 degree. So 12 minutes division, 1 minute is 6 degrees. So 12 minutes division means 72 degree. So we have to find at what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the angle between minute and hour hand will be 72 degree. 72 degree. So my dear, you have to be very careful. When the time was at 2 o'clock, this was the position. At 2 o'clock, what was the angle? हाँ जी बेटा, 2 o'clock पे कितना एंगल था? 60 डिग्री था. So can I say this position, at this position angle will decrease? So 72 degree कब आएगा? When the minute hand will overtake the hour hand. After that ना, my dear students, क्या इस पोजीशन में 72 डिग्री बन सकता है? नॉट पॉसिबल. 72 डिग्री तब बनेगा व्हेन मिनट हैंड विल ओवरटेक द आवर हैंड. मिनट हैंड इसको ओवरटेक करके आगे चली जाएगी. ओनली देन इट इज पॉसिबल. सो वी हैव टू यूज ए पॉइंट वेयर मिनट हैंड इज अहेड ऑफ द आवर हैंड. यूज दैट फॉर्मूला. कैसे करोगे बेटा? थीटा इज 72, दैट इज इक्वल टू 11/2m minus 30 into h. h value is 2. 30 into 2 60. ये 60 माइनस है बेटा. माइनस विल कम हेयर, तो यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा 72 प्लस 60, दैट इज इक्वल टू 11/2m. तो m का दिस इज 132 इक्वल टू 11/2m. तो 11 से यू कैन कैंसिल आउट, 12 पे जाएगा. 12 इंटू 2 24. So minutes value will be 24. So answer is 24 minutes past 2. 2:24 will be the answer. बोलो बच्चों, क्लियर है कि नहीं? हाँ जी बेटा, ठीक है ना? सागर, पल्लवी, शिवानी, अभिषेक, अजय, जल्दी आंसर करो बेटा. इज इट क्लियर? जल्दी बोलो बेटा. Okay, fine. So now some of the students say, sir, why are you using only this formula? ठीक है ना? One thing I explained here. Another thing, if you use the other formula, that is 30 into 2 minus 11/2m. In this case, my dear, you will get value of m as negative. Negative आ जाएगा. 11/2m will come here. That is equal to, this part was 60, 72 will go there. So that is in negative value na. So minutes value cannot be negative. So that's why we can't put the hour hand first. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. Please attempt this question. This is CSAT 2022 paper. CSAT 2022 paper. My dear Shivani, in the previous case, if we use 11/2 theta is equal to 30h minus 11/2m, we will get the negative value of minute. But minute cannot be negative, so that's why we were not using 30h minus 11/2m. So that is the only reason, beta. Hope you understood this. Answer neither 1 nor 2. Okay. And my dear, believe me, this book I released this year only after the prelims exam. But before this exam also, in my handout, this question was present. Fine. This question was present. So between 3 and 4 o'clock, at what time these two are meeting? We have done this, na? Just 2 to 3 questions back, we solved that between 3 and 4 o'clock, minute and hour hand are meeting at 3:16, 4 by 11. So you just calculated hardly 5 minutes back that minute and hour hand are overlapping at 3:16, 4 by 11. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या यही कह रहा है बेटा? There is some power issue, my dear. Now I have to restart it. No need to worry. No need to worry. We have power backup. So just hardly 10 minutes back, we solved a question that between 3 and 4 o'clock at 3:16, 4 by 11, 3:16, 4 by 11 minute and the hour hand of the clock were coinciding. And in CSAT 2022, we got the same question but in the form of a statement. And the statement was that the minute and hour hand of the clock will meet between 3:16 and 3:17. So is this statement true? Yes, because we calculated the exact time. Just give me 1 minute. Here we solved in the previous question that they will meet exactly at 3:16, 4 by 11. Now student will ask, sir, what will happen if the student doesn't know the answer to that question? अब क्या करेंगे बेटा? So can I say we have to check the meeting point of minute and hour hand between 3:16 and 3:17. So if you take any time between 3:16 and 3:17, what will be the value of h? H का value क्या होगा बेटा? 3 होगा. And they are coinciding, it means theta is 0. That is equal to 30 into 3 minus 11 by 2 into m. So upon solving, we are getting m is equal to 16, 4 by 11. So it means the minute and the hour hand of the clock are meeting at 3:16, 4 by 11. So is the first statement true? Is this time between 3:16 and 3:17? Yes, first statement is true. What about the second statement? Second statement says that between 4:58 and 4:59. In this case, many students give wrong answer. My dear, here they are asking about minute and the second hand. Can I say second hand will overtake minute hand in every minute? When the time is between 4:48, 58 and 4:59. So it means minute hand was somewhere here. So second hand will come and it will overtake it. Got it? So second statement is also correct. Answer is both statement 1 as well as 2 are correct. Both are correct, my dear. Fine. आगे बढ़ते हैं. अच्छा, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज लेट मी नो, इज इट क्लियर और शुड आई रिपीट? जल्दी बोलो बेटा. In this case, both the statements are correct. First, we found a time between 3:16 and 3:17. H value was 3. We calculated the meeting time and it was coming out to be 3:16, 4 by 11, which is exactly between 3:16 and 3:17. Fine. So that statement was correct. Now try this one. This is CSAT 2015 paper. Try this. What the answer? Between 6 and 7, what is the value of H? H will be 6, and minute hand is ahead. Minute hand is ahead. So which formula you will be using? H 11 by 2H minus 11 by 2M minus 30H or 30H minus 11 by 2M? मिनट हैंड इज अहेड, तो फॉर्मूला में यूज करेंगे 11 बाई 2M माइनस 30H. ये फॉर्मूला यूज होगा. क्लियर है बेटा? कितना अहेड है बेटा? 3 मिनट्स. 3 मिनट मीन्स हाउ मेनी डिग्रीज? 1 मिनट मीन्स 6 डिग्री. 3 मिनट मीन्स 18 डिग्री. So theta is 18 degree. Time is between 6 and 7. We have to find the value of M. Minus 30 into 6. Please solve this. At what time between 6 and 7 o'clock minute hand will be 3 minutes division ahead of the hour hand? What will be the answer? $6.36. Very good. This is minus 180. Minus 180 will add here. So 18 plus 180 is 198 is equal to 11 by 2M. So you can cancel by 11. 18 पे जाएगा. 18 into 2 36. So minutes value will be 36. So answer is 636. 636 answer. Clear है बच्चों? Quickly say clear or repeat. If someone want me to repeat, please write R. One more thing, one more time. Time is between 6 and 7. So H is equal to 6. Minute hand is ahead. So we will be using a formula in which minute hand is ahead by 3 minutes. 1 minute is 6 degrees. So 3 minute means 3 into 6, 18 degree. Clear है बच्चों? Got it. Fine. Now because this question has been asked in UPSC, so I'll solve it by logical method also. Time is between 6 and 7. So where will be our hand? Our hand कहाँ पे होगा बेटा? Time is between 6 and 7. So our hand has to be between 6 and 7. Say yes or no? Minute hand is ahead of this. Minute hand इसको overtake कर चुका बेटा, इससे आगे जा चुका है. So time will be after 6:30 or before 6:30? Time minute hand is ahead of this, so time has to be after 6:30. Can I erase these two options? Eliminate कर दिया आपने. अच्छा, 7 and 8 के बीच में how many minutes बेटा? 5 minutes. And question says that it is 3 minutes ahead. इसका मतलब ये 8 को क्रॉस कर पाएगा कि नहीं? नहीं कर पाएगा, because 7 and 8 के बीच में there is a gap of 5 minutes. So we want to move only 3 minutes from here. So it means in any case we are not going to cross 8. If we are not going to cross 8, then out of 648 and 636, 648 is not possible. Answer is 636. बोलो बच्चों, clear or repeat? जल्दी बोलो. So my dear online students, I am putting my efforts here for you guys. If you really like my sincere efforts, then it is your responsibility to spread the video among as many people as possible. Okay, so this is my expectation from you guys. And one more thing, I am really happy to inform you that we are left with very limited copies of our Brahmastra book, because once we gave the advertisement on the Telegram channels, then there is a huge demand of this book and we have to order a reprint for this book. For reprinting, my dear, I think it will take at least 1 month. Fine. So I'll try my level best कि I'll put it in the process, but they are saying that it will take at least 1 month because this is the peak season for those people also. So in case you haven't got this book, please order it as soon as possible because we are having very limited number of books of this. Okay, once it will be out of stock, because notification is also expected on 1st of February, then suppose we are getting the reprint in the month of, or I can say before 1st March, we will try to get the reprint of it. So that 1 month will be wasted. To save that, please place your orders as soon as possible. So let's move to the next part. Anji, 2021 paper. Try this one. CSAT 2021. D. Okay. Ratish D. Sagar D. Okay, fine, my dear. Answer? B. B for Bangalore. Let us see, my dear. If we use the formula first, in this case, we want the angle 180 degree, theta is 180 degree. So which will be ahead? Minute hand will be ahead or hour hand will be ahead? Because you see the options, all the options are between 7 and 8 o'clock. Fine. So if the time is between 7 and 8 o'clock, it means the hour hand will be ahead of the minute hand. Hoga na? So put hour hand first. So that will be 30 into 7 minus 11 by 2 into m. So bring this 11 by 2 m here. ये कितना बनेगा बेटा? 210 minus 180, that is equal to 30. So what is the value of m? 30 into 2 upon 11, 60 upon 11, ये कितना बनेगा बेटा? 5 by 11. तो ये टाइम क्या है बेटा? 7, 5 by 11. ये टाइम किस रेंज में लाई करता है? This is the point when the angle between them will be 180 degree. तो कौन सा टाइम होगा? Which option? D option. Time has to be between 7, 5 and 7, 10. Clear है बच्चों? Got it? Now again, because this question was asked in UPSC, so we need to have an alternate approach for this also. At 7 o'clock, can I say this will be the position? At 7 o'clock, this will be the position. Are they opposite? Are they making 180 degree angle? Nahi na beta? Because opposite to 7 is 1. Opposite to 7 is 1. So, but when the minute hand will reach 1, our hand will not stay here ना. जब minute hand 1 पे जाएगा तो our hand थोड़ा सा आगे जा चुका होगा बेटा. Our hand will be slightly ahead of this. Fine. If the our hand is slightly ahead of this, then to get 180 degree angle, minute hand has to move a further apart. है ना? थोड़ा सा आगे move करना पड़ेगा. So in that case, what is the angle? sorry, what is the time? No, it has to be slightly ahead of 1. So it is between 1 and 2. If it is between 1 and 2, then time has to be after 7:05 and before 7:10. Okay, my dear, clear है? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Fine. So let us stop here only. My dear, today actually I had to record the videos for our courses. So tomorrow I have to record the videos for our lectures or the students who have got the course. These are the courses. We are providing the video solution of our Brahmastra book with 16 tests available at 1,999 only. CSAT revision batch 60 days, that is at 4,999. We are having another special batch previous year questions from 2011 to 22 at the rate of, this fee was 999, but now we are charging 99 rupees only for the first 100 students. We are having offline batches at 9999. So my dear, tomorrow we are not going to have a session, so we will resume our sessions from 27th. Till then, happy Republic Day to all of you, and keep spreading this video so that I get a motivation from you guys. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.